Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Fujifilm X-T5 mirrorless digital camera. We'll evaluate these cameras in various categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we dive into the comparison, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's get started. Both cameras offer exceptional image quality. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR sensor, while the Fujifilm X-T5 boasts the class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hour CMOS sensor. Both sensors capture stunning details and deliver outstanding results. When it comes to video, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 stands out. It offers 4K movie oversampled from 6K with full pixel readout, ensuring sharp and detailed footage. It also has a product showcase setting that seamlessly transitions focus from face to object. The Fujifilm X-T5 provides excellent video capabilities as well, but it doesn't match the Sony Alpha ZV-E10's 4K oversampling capabilities. Both cameras prioritize user experience. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a background defocus button that instantly toggles between defocus effect on-off, giving you quick control over your subject's background. It also offers easy live streaming with a single USB cable, requiring no extra hardware or software. The Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X-series design, with dials for key functions like ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation. It also boasts a 3-way tilting LCD and powerful in-body image stabilization. And there you have it. Both the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Fujifilm X-T5 have their unique strengths. Consider your specific needs and preferences to determine which camera suits you best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.